All right, so you're ready for your big cruise on Celebrity, and you've decided since you're going to be at sea for a week or 10 days or 14 days, whatever, you're going to bring some movies and things to watch in your cabin. I actually brought along some James Bond and some Seinfeld and more James Bond. Yeah, we're going to watch every James Bond on this film. But the problem is, it is tricky to hook a Blu-ray player to the TV on Celebrity ships. I'm going to show you how to do it. Around the world. All right, so the first thing you'll want to do is plug your Fire Stick or Apple TV or Blu-ray player, or I have here a PlayStation, into HDMI 2. Let me show you what it looks like behind the TV. So just come behind the TV. You will see the connections for HDMI. What you want to use is HDMI 2. Use HDMI 2. Plug in there. For some reason, HDMI 1 is disabled. So yeah, use HDMI 2. Plug away. Now, it's a little tricky, so let me show you what to do. On the right side of the TV, on the underside, there's a little thing sticking out. It's a little button. What you need to do is click on that. Here, I'll show you what to do. So, feel for that button underneath, and what you'll want to do is click it 2 times, and you'll notice a menu comes up on the screen. 1, 2, boom, there it is. And click it, and move it over to source. And when you get to source, hold it. Hold it, and boom, HDMI 2. Your source is now on the TV. So whether you're using a PlayStation like I am, Fire Stick, Apple TV, Blu-ray player, DVD player, VHS machine, shame on you. You'll be able to watch what you want to watch on the cruise. Have a good time.